Moving to Alberta? Here's how to get licensed and the types of licenses needed to legally drive different vehicles in Alberta. Alberta's 7 classes of driver's license allow you to drive the following vehicles. If you are exchanging a valid driver's license from one of the jurisdictions in the list, you can get your Alberta license without taking a knowledge or road test. To exchange your license for an Alberta driver's license, you must hand in your valid license that is equivalent or higher than an Alberta Class 5 or 6 license to a registry agent. Provide proof of 2 or more years of driving experience if you want to be issued a full Class 5 license. Provide proof that you live in Alberta. Provide proof of residence in Canada. You'll be given a Class 5 or 6 driver's license based on the exchange agreement. However, not all jurisdictions allow the exchange of a Class 6 motorcycle license. License holders from the United States can exchange their Class 5, 6, or 7 without additional testing requirements. Any class of license other than those in the Class 5, 6, and 7 must complete all testing requirements. To exchange a license from a jurisdiction that doesn't have an agreement, you'll need to pass a knowledge and road test. If you are coming to Alberta from another jurisdiction, you may apply to have your previous driving history credited. If accepted, you will be exempted from part or all of the graduated licensing program depending on your years of experience. This exemption gives you access to a road test without needing to have a Class 7 license for 1 year or a Class 5 GDL for a full 2 years. Visit a registry office after 10 business days from the date you applied. The registry agent will confirm if your application has been accepted. If your application is turned down, the registry agent will explain why and if there are any extra requirements needed by the SIU. That's it. We hope it helps you. This is brought to you by Remitby, the best way to send and exchange money in Canada.